Concepts. This is my first time doing something of this nature, so please excuse me if I have a shaky start. Okay, Blue Apple Concepts. Blue Apple Concepts is an events coordinating company, but essentially our primary core function is concept development. So we're in the business of designing how people have fun. We're also in the business of creating experiences. So one of the things that we do is we create concepts and we sell them to corporate entities, i.e. the one hosting this function today, SAB. We work very closely with them. We look at their brands and what's relative to them and reshape and design how they could celebrate their brands and how it could directly align with the market that they intend to engage with whatever product that they have. So our style of events is very different. It's very interactive, it's very personal, and it's very integrated in terms of how the experience is. When we talk about experience, a lot of the time when you go to an event, you go for merely the purpose of having fun. But our main focus is to give you an experience as well as something to walk away with. A typical example of that is we just hosted last month a series called Glam Hour in conjunction with Brutal Fruit. And the thinking behind that was to support young black girls who are currently starting out their own initiatives and who need the business and who need to network. So they were there, and this year the theme was glam. What do women love? Women love looking beautiful. We do our nails, we do our hair. We like looking fresh all the time. So we got 10 beauticians to come in and pamper for the entire month of August. That was for us to just have time out as females, but also for females who are doing relative things within the business realm to meet each other, to network, create a space where you can retain your business for whatever it is that you are working in. So those are the things that we do at Blue Apple. Aside from the events and the conceptual development, we do artist profiling. So for our local artists, especially in the DJ sector, we get a lot of those guys together and we build literally their brands. So what they do, how they do it, is how we put together the makeup of what the world sees or Cape Town sees. So yeah, that's what I do. That's Blue Apple Concepts.
Zizipho? Good idea. I just want to know one thing. Can you give us an example of, you say you promote artists, of the people, apart from SAB, that you've helped or you've worked with, locally?
I have one very specific one. His name is Bereng Bokeng. He's a deep house DJ. We took him and we got him into the Red Bull DJ school. So what he's doing right now is putting together his first ever compilation with Red Bull. We got him into the Cape Town Electronics Music Festival. We get him pertinent gigs in and out of Cape Town to get his name out there. So where Obereng is playing, you'll probably see Blue Apple. Those are the type of things that we do. We also started a session called Soul Heaven Sundays that we host on the last Sunday of the month. And for all the DJs that we do profiling for, that's the one day every single month that whoever is interested in getting to know the DJs personally or just be exposed to what they do, they come through, they chill for a Sunday, and they literally experience what they do.
Hi, Zizipho.
Hi.
My question will be, do you guys scout a specific DJ, or can a person come to you and say, these are my contact details and this is what I do? Or how can they get hold of you?
We don't scout per se, but you are at liberty to come to us and say, this is what you do and this is what you'd like us to do for you. Obviously, it has to be aligned with what we do, because we can't offer a service that doesn't resonate well with the outlines that we stand for. So a guy who does something that is relative to what Blue Apple does, or a female, can contact us. We can then devise a strategy on how to assist that person to the best of our ability and in a way that will be succinct with what they are trying to do with their brand.